We have interrupted your Commodore 64 for a tomater error. Tomater has been killed by Howie Mandel. Do not turn off your Commodore 64. Oops. Hello, I am Nano Nanderson. The first thing I'm gonna do in this error is turn your background green. Wait, what?
What do you mean there was a troublemaker from another universe? Anyways, time for have a creaking.
Welcome aboard.
No. Get out. We are all Howie Mandels.
This is a bad quality product.
Nah, this is the best quality product, take it or leave it.
Then why is it broken when you said it's the best quality product?
Sorry, your card is not compatible. You will turn into Paddy now.
Embracing new forms of communication.
I'm not sure what to say about this one.
You are richer than you think.
No, you are broker than you think. I got all your money and Arasio around with it.
New clean energy solutions.
No, old dirty energy solutions. Because fartio 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 fartio.
You're the reason the Ender Arlo YouTube channel was brought down lately.
Twist.
Never mess with Howie Mandel.
What about me?
Prepared for success.
No, you are too lazy for success. Everyone got tired and slept in the rain.
Clear battle plan.
No, lazy battle plan, where everyone in the battle is lazy.
Hey. What are you doing here wreaking havoc? That's my job.
First off, Howie, my way of wreaking havoc is different from yours. You turn templates into the opposite versions of themselves while I turn them into lazy versions.
Arasio 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 Arasio. This is Tomater Error 2, not nonsensical nonsense 1, get it right.
Hello, I am FinPro.
FinPro, this is the wrong error series for you to appear, heck. We're not even in the correct YouTube channel for FinPro.
The necessary hiking items are, oh forget it, you know the drill.
No, the actual necessary hiking items are me, and me.
Expect the unexpected, broken down car.
No, unexpect the expected, car that got recycled binned.
Our mission.
That is a fake mission, the real mission has been claimed by Stingy.
Seriously? This is the second time that someone other than me tried to wreak havoc.
And
Friccio 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 friccio.
Twist.
This better not happen again. Hello? Yes. Oh no, we went past 4:02 time, now we have to do the segment late. Now what I was supposed to say a few seconds before 4:02, get ready for inanimate insanity.
So, how's your day?
Pretty good actually.
Oh my god, how dare you not be an inanimate insanity character, that's it, you will no longer be here.
Well, that was totally unexpected.
Now back to have a creaking. Is this a kitchen?
Oh great, you.
There is nothing wrong with your TV and this must have been a mistake.
Merry Christmas everybody.
We're not even close to December for this template, plus we don't celebrate it in July.
Stay safe, don't text and drive.
You can text and drive, as this is an automatic car.
Then why did you say text and drive when it's automatic?
This is the time where I merge from your Commodore 64 to your laptop. Not again. Video over because laziness.